Okay, so instead of just dumping it all in, we're going to layer this. To complain. Oh my god. This, ito yung pang toppings natin dito. So, hi there guys. So today is the day. This is the day that you will bury your pre-compost, meaning it's your first bucket of fermented food waste. So if you followed the schedule for the 30-day challenge, again from day 1 to day 7, you collected raw veggies and fruits from your kitchen waste and also from your suki market vendor, so that on day 8 you were able to seal it for fermentation for 2 weeks. And then today is the day that you will bury it, usually on day 22, if you follow the 30-day garbage to garden schedule. And then 2 weeks from now, we will test if you can harvest the compost or not. All right, so let's go. Okay guys, for your first bucket, whether it's full or not, this is already enough soil for your Eazybox. At the bare minimum, this is what you need to have. So this is about 10 liters of soil, which we prepared earlier. So that's the tumana soil and the carbonized mix. And here's another 10 liter of the tumana soil and the carbonized mix. So as it is, you can already use it. But if you have but since your bag of carbonized mix meron pang natira, you still have some leftovers, you can also include this in your stage 3 as the meat, no? So we will combine this with the bokashi waste. So I will show you later on. Okay, so instead of just dumping it all in, we're going to layer this. So we're gonna put some carbonized mix first, and then this one. Actually, I think it's better if we just mix it inside here. So I mix the carbonized soil mix inside, and then layer it. The mix is quite hot. Medyo pinadalaw-dalaw na tayo ng langaw, so we need to move fast. We really need to move fast guys, because the langaws are here already. I think it's better if we just dump it all in. Anyway, konti lang naman siya, pwede na siyang i-dump. Pero kung marami guys, mas maganda kung layered. As you can see, it's not really damp. It's not very damp. Okay. Not that bad guys, kasi konti lang siya eh. Madali lang, hindi siya mabigat. Sending na for my daughter to complain. Oh my god. This one, kailangan natin paghiwa-hiwalayin talaga. Okay, I'm going to put more carbonized soil mix. So take note guys, hindi pa ito yung pang toppings natin ha. It's just for layering. It's for the layers. To mix it all up. Make it easy to decompose. And make it airy and fluffy. Okay. It's really warm. Okay guys, that's it. It's mixed.